Hello everybody, today I am doing another try not to get scared challenge. And as you can see, the video says, this video was made for Halloween. We uploaded it and then deleted it straight away because we thought it was too scary. If you are sensitive to creepy stuff, then go off this video now. You have been warned. This is a re-upload. And I'm wearing headphones to make it more scary for me. And let's get into it. Wait, what? Wait, why isn't it moving? Just a sec, guys. It's not loading. There we go. Why isn't it loading? There we go. Warning, this video contains terrifying and disturbing 911 phone calls. Viewer discretion is advised. Awesome. Oh, I did not know that this was another person doing the challenge. Yeah, I didn't even watch any of it when I started this. And I don't really want to take their stuff and put it on my channel. Seems kind of wrong. I'll try to find a new one, guys. Okay, I found a new video. It says, do not watch this video at night. Crap, I should have watched this at night. The following video contains content that some viewers may find disturbing. Rules: lights off, headphones on. No hiding in the comment section. Okay, guys, I was able to find an area. It's still the middle of the day or even the morning. It's actually 10 in the morning. But I found a pitch black room. Like, it's a closet, so no light whatsoever. Sorry if it's kind of hard for you guys to see me. Level 1, images. Okay, easy. Okay then. I just got shivers. Wait. Crap, I hate it when this happens. There we go. Whoa, okay. Ugh. Hey, it's a rake. Feels like feels like I'm being watched. No joke, it feels like somebody's watching me. Oh god, this is a horrible idea. Just a shirt. Just a shirt. Okay. Yeah. Wait, isn't that the Wendigo? I'm in hell. Help me. Oh god. The Russian sleep experiment? Ugh. Okay, okay. 12 minutes of this. I don't think. Oh, okay. Level 1's over. Level complete. I didn't jump or scream. What's level 2? Dot, dot, dot. Oh, shit. What the hell? I don't know why it happens, but when I get scared, the hair on my back just like sticks up. GIFs. I have no idea what a GIF is. Oh god. Why are the subtitles in Spanish or Japanese? Is that not coming from the video or my house? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Okay then. That crinkling noise just made it a lot worse. Hey, big eyes! There's a there's actually a fish in my science class that has eyes like that. They're just like sticking all out and they're huge. Most of this probably isn't real. Okay. Level 3 is complete. Whew, easy. Videos. Oh man. Oh god. Okay then. Bring it on. Bring me your worst. Just that, guys. I'm back. Oh yeah, this one was fake. It'd be scary if it was real. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Just, yeah. Hello, everybody. I'm back. I don't know what's supposed to be so scary about this. It's just somebody getting hit by a train. Oh, God. Well, then. That's perfectly normal. Hey, it's Clown. It's a clown! Wait, is it a clown? Yep, it's a clown. Run this son of a bitch over. Run it over. Whatever the hell it is. Probably a bad idea to be leaning forward like this, but I want to see what it is. Okay, I'm leaning back now. Fucking run it over. How long is it going to be until they run it over? Oh. Ugh. How far did you make it? Let us know in the comments. Okay, guys. I'm gonna find one more short one because that was actually not that bad. It scared me. Okay. We saw one up here. Okay, right here. Let's do this one. Is it going? Okay, it's going. Level 1. Scary images. Okay, bring it on. Ugh, that tongue's large. Level 2. That was our level. Scary images with creepy music and slower fading. Hey, look, that person's eyes have teeth. Scary facts. A man in the 1890s dug up his daughter's grave and cut off her heart, thinking she was a vampire. iPhone 5 electrocuted and killed a 23-year-old Chinese woman. In 2012, fuck! There's a shadow at my door. There's a fucking shadow at the door. Nobody else is here. I see a shadow at my closet door, and I am the only person here. Should I open it? Oh fuck, it's moving. It's moving! And it's pretty damn large, so... Oh my god. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Fuck you. It was my cat. I should have locked that cat in another room, away from the closet. Scary images with scary cuts. Okay, but my cat, even though I know that it's my cat, is still freaking me out, like, a lot. I guess that cat wants to see me get scared again. Scary gifts with scary cuts. Your biggest fears. Spiders. Snakes. Nuclear war. Your own death. Level 10. The scariest thing in this test. Just kidding, you passed this test successfully without screaming or getting scared. Congratulations. Oh, you didn't? Okay. Or that, man, you are the bravest in the world if you didn't. Okay, that's not very scary. Okay. Ah, crap. Okay, guys. That's the end of this test. You guys just, I guess you guys saw me just scared out of my fucking cat. Who knew that cats could be so scary? Anyways, thanks for watching. Tell me in the comments if you lost or not, and how scary they were. And if you like the video, leave a like and like a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Really helpful. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.